Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. So I got something that I want to show you that has been really excellent. So I've taken a week to make, and as I do the video, you'll see different days where I did this review for this thing that I got. Since I've gone back to work, I've gained about 15 pounds, and that's from sitting at a desk, guys, and not being outside every day working in the garden. And I really needed something to get some exercise, but also something that was going to help around the farm. So let me show you what I got. Ta-da! Yes, I have a Veribus, and it is a electric tricycle. I have really been enjoying it. And as I do my videos, again, you'll see where I start talking a little bit more about everything it has. But I have really been enjoying this. I've been riding it in the mornings, especially on my days off. I've got to incorporate it into the afternoon. But you can see I've been using it. It's got a little dirt on it. But I've really, really enjoyed this. And we're going to talk more about it as I get through the video. This has really helped me. It's been very good for my knees. It's been very good for my back because, you know, remember I hurt my back a couple of years ago, and my hip. I have a lot of hip problems, and I really needed to get some exercise, and I wasn't real sure what I was going to do other than walk on the treadmill, which is kind of boring. So yes, I picked this up. So this is the Trigo Plus. I went ahead and got the one with a little bit more aggressive tread so I could ride it out here on the farm. This basket is handy to carry things for me. It took about 4 hours to charge the battery. The battery, it comes with a key. You just turn it off and you just slide it out. You can see the slider back here. And so far, you can see I've been using it. It's rugged, guys. It took Greg probably about, took him 2 days to put it together, but that was him working on this while working on other things. And so if you're not mechanically inclined, I would suggest taking it to a bicycle shop and having them put it together for you. But if you are mechanically inclined, or your husband's mechanically inclined, or your son, I mean, you can put it together yourself, and it would probably take you about 4 to 5 hours. But yeah, I've really been enjoying it. It has front brakes, has rear brakes, and it has 7 gears, and these are the Shimano gears. And I don't know if you've ever ridden bicycles before, but I know Shimano is a big name for gears because I used to mountain bike. And then there's my horn, and this is my control panel, which you'll see more in the video. And you'll see this also in the video where I souped it up a little bit with a light. It does come with a headlight, but I souped mine up with a LED, and then I've gone ahead and put these on back of the basket because when I ride early in the morning, it's around 6:30 a.m. and there's still a little bit of dusk or a little bit of dark, and I want cars to be able to see me because I'm riding out here in the country. But yes, I've really enjoyed it. So now I'm going to get into the video and show you me riding it throughout the week, and you'll see how it works, and you'll see how well it works. And yeah, I'm really excited to have this, and I look forward to doing my exercise for once in my life, guys. When I'm able to get on this, especially on my days off. So we have our little dogs down the lane that I feed, and I'm starting out with just pedaling, and guys, it's super easy to pedal, and this is going to be great for my exercise. Oh yeah, and with pedal assist, you just pedal, and then it makes it very easy for you to pedal. You can still get your exercise, but get a little help while you're cruising. These are the babies that I feed. They're just right down the road. They're the ones, guys, that we made sure they had shelter during the cold. You can see they look pretty good. They're beautiful dogs. So I have it set on mode 1 to go a little slow, because I got to get, see, it just took off. I just pedaled a little bit, and then it took off on mode 1. let's go over some of its features. So first, this is my favorite part, is the basket. Guys, this will hold up to 330 pounds, I believe. And you can see the gear system down there. This is your back brake. This is your front brake. Now, this is where you do your modes. If you want to go, this is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. These are, the higher you go, I think the faster you'll go. And if you just want to pedal it, you just go down to 0. So I got up to 13 kilometers, and so probably about 6 miles an hour, and it felt like I was cruising pretty fast. Comes with a headlight. I'm excited to see how this does at night. And it has another bracket in case you wanted to get another basket. And I did go ahead and get the ones with a little bit more tread on the tires so I could use it around the farm, especially on that back acre when I'm doing some harvesting. This basket's gonna come in handy. This is an adjustable seat, very, very comfortable. This is the battery, comes with 2 keys. And here's the horn. On your left handlebar, it comes with a parking brake. So you want to squeeze that all the way in and then push that. And it gives you a little bit of parking brake so it doesn't roll backwards or forwards. My morning ride. I'm trying to pedal so I can get some exercise. And when I get tired, I just do this. Look, it takes off. So then I can just go back to pedaling and just enjoy my ride. So first I got me some of these LED tail lights. They're disposable. They were very cheap on Amazon and they just clip on. They're battery operated. And when they're done, they're done. But again, they were very cost efficient. And then on the front, I'm not gonna put the camera right directly on it, but I got me this headlight. And this headlight is 1200 lumens. And so it's a little bit more powerful than this. Now this is fine, that comes with the bicycle, but I wanted a brighter one. And also this one will start to consume your battery, and this one I can charge. So that's kind of what I did to trick mine out. To get going out of the driveway, I do use my power. And then once I get going, I start my pedaling. And you can see the pedal assist just kicked in. And then I have 7 gears, guys, 7 gears. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my exercise and do my pedaling. It's really a great morning for this, and I've been enjoying this, especially on my 3 days off during the week. I'm gonna have to get on this thing in the evenings too, whenever I can get my schedule leveled out. But it's a beautiful morning to just ride. So another thing that I have coming that I haven't received yet is I have 2 mirrors because I can't see what's behind me. So I want to go ahead and get a couple of mirrors on this thing. Now, if I keep pedaling, it's gonna stop on the pedal assist and let me do much of the work. But if I stop and slow down, so I'm gonna stop. When I start pedaling again, it kicks back in the pedal assist to get me going. So really handy, especially for somebody who's out of shape like me. Now that's bright, guys. It's early Saturday morning, going for my exercise ride. Making sure my tail lights are on. There's nothing like the cool of the morning to be out here. Guys, it's very quiet. And my light seems to be working pretty well. So we got about 2/10 of an inch of rain last night, moved through about 9. And yes, I'm doing my exercise. We got about 2/10 of an inch last night, and that's about it. Ooh, there's a dog up there, so we're turning around. Oh, see, I started pedaling and it did pedal assist. I hate that we have dogs out here that people just dump or let run wild because it's dangerous. So I'm gonna have to start getting me maybe some pet spray or something to kind of keep these vermins away. There was a little dog that chased me yesterday and I just kicked it on electric and took off and left it in the dust. Now this goes about 15.5 miles per hour at top speed. I'm sure that depends on the wind and me pedaling. And I think it'll go about 33 miles with pedal assist on a charge. Now, you can see I have, looks like a little over half a charge left on my battery. And I've been doing this, been riding it for about a week now. So yeah, getting some pretty good use from the battery. So my knees aren't bad, but they're not the best. I don't have, I'd say, a lot of problem with them, but my left one does seem inflamed at times. So the great thing about this is once I start pedaling, the pedal assist kicks in, so I'm not having to put a lot of weight on my knees to get going, like a traditional bicycle or conventional bicycle. So I'm really liking that, and I'll show you what I mean. So here's what I mean. Once I put pressure on this pedal, it's gonna take off on its own. Watch this. See? There it goes. And it gets me going. And I want you to see those two up there, up the road? They've been waiting on me. They saw my, oh, see? He's wagging his tail. He knows I'm coming. These are those two strays again that we try to feed and take care of. I tell you what, they are beautiful dogs. I wish somebody would have gotten them, but we've been taking care of them for almost a year now, I think. They know it's me. Because when I drove down here a while ago, they were way down the street and they saw my light. And you know, they get to recognize, you know, the vehicle, my truck, or this bicycle, and they know it's me. You hungry this morning, darling? You want me to feed you up there or you want me to feed you here? So that's the gist of it. I've not had to charge the battery again since we charged it originally, and it still has almost a half a charge, I think. And I'm gonna run it down because I want to run it down completely before I go ahead and put a charge. But just know that every time I pedal, it helps charge the battery. And I've been doing a lot of pedaling and a lot of exercising, and it's really helping. It's helping my knees, it's helping my back, and it's helping me to lose weight, which I really desperately need to do. I've never really had any problem with my weight, but I sure have this year, and I can tell that age is really kicking in and I don't like it. But anyway, guys, they have a Mother's Day special, and if you order for Mother's Day, you get 2 free accessories. So I'm gonna put the link down below. Be sure and check it out. It's really, really exciting, and I really am enjoying it. So for all you ladies out there that are looking for a way to get some exercise, but want to kind of ease into it, and maybe if you have some knee problems or some back problems, you want to make sure, ooh, there's something moving in the ground down there. If you have some knee problems or some back problems, you might want to look into getting you an electric trike. It took a little getting used to having 3 wheels, but I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all. See you sometime this week.